Hello, so excited to get started.
Okay, before I start, can we just talk about our outfits right now? Did we, did we
I
plan
didn't plan
this?
this.
No, this is actually so cute. I feel like, I don't know, it's like Wednesdays with pink, but it's kind of like Wednesdays with knit, you know? It's kind of like a good vibe. Um, Thank you, Lauren, and thank you everyone for tuning in and watching. We are so excited to present to you guys our second series of Creators of Clean. Today we have a really exciting product that we'll be chatting about. Of course, we have Lauren, our extraordinaire of innovation at Beautycounter. You've been with us for how long? I think like 2 years? More than that? 2.5 years.
Two and a half years.
And you were just like the expert, the guru. You just like know it all about all of our products. You're like
Oh,
behind the scenes, creating all the ingredients, talking about all the good stuff. So we're super excited to have you here. And yeah, we'll just kind of like dive in and get started. We'll be talking about our perfume, our clean beauty fragrance, which I'm super excited for. It's like a new franchise, new market to Beautycounter, and I'm just like so excited and ready to kind of like jump in. And I'm like so happy and grateful that you're here with us. So you can kind of like tell us about all the things and we'll test it out. We'll do a little sniff. We'll talk about what it reminds us of. And yeah, we'll just get the party started.
yeah,
So take it away.
so excited. Yes, okay. So as Kimberly said, we're going to be chatting about fragrance today. So it's our Clean
Okay,
Oud
my partner.
Parfum Duo. um, for our holiday 2023 collection. And for those of you that are just joining here, this is our Creators of Clean series. So this is a new series that we're doing. It's happening every Wednesday at noon.